Hello everyone. Today we will talk about in this third part of industrial management. We will discuss cooperation and worker participation. So basically, what is labor management cooperation? Cooperation it is an intensive program designed to facilitate the union management partnership. The union management participation or the partnership can be an important and effective vehicle for designing and implementing improvements in the workplace and for building the relationship within the union. So, if there is a better relationship between the union, the labor class, and the management class, it will definitely enhance the work environment of the workers. It primarily focuses on the interest based on bargaining. Interest based bargaining it frames the negotiation as joint problem which can resolve every party's underlying issues, needs, and concerns. It encourages the parties to focus on interests which are not positions and to use communication and innovative thinking to identify the superior solutions and build the relationships. Participation in this labor cooperation. Participation management it is a very elastic concept. For management, it is a joint consultation before taking any kind of decision or in decision making process. For the workers, it means co-determination. It means workers cooperate with each other and co-determine what causes they have need to put up in front of the higher management. For the trade union, it is the harbinger for a new order of social relationship and it is a new set of power equation within the organizations. And for the government, it is an association of labor with management without the final authority of responsibility in decision making. So, as you can see, for different classes, the worker participation has different meaning and different roles to be delivered. Participation in management, according to ILO, that is International Labour Organization, it covers all the terms of association of workers and their representatives with the decision making process, which ranges from the exchange of information, consultations, decisions, and negotiations to more institutionalized forms, such as the presence of workers, members on management or supervisory boards, or even management by workers themselves. Now, the worker participation management, it is a system of communication and consultation, either formal or in the informal way, through which the workers of an organization are kept always informed and as and when required about the affairs of the undertaking and through which they express their opinion and contribute to the decision making process of the characteristics of worker participation management, or it can be like it implies the practices which increases the scope of employees to share of influence in decision making process with the assumption of responsibility. It presupposes willing acceptance of responsibility by the workers. The workers they participate in the management not as the individuals but as a group through their representatives. Workers' participation in management differs from collective bargaining in the sense that while the former is based on mutual trust, information sharing, and mutual problem solving, the latter is essentially based on the power play, pressure tactics, and negotiations. The basic rationale for workers' participation in management is that workers invest their labor and their fates to their place of work. Thus, they contribute to the outcomes of the organization. Hence, they have a legitimate right to share in decision making activities. Objectives of worker participation management. Objectives of worker participation management, as given by the second 5-year plan of India, is to ensure that the increase in productivity for the benefit of all concerned to an enterprise, that is, the employer, the employees, and the community at large. Second point is that satisfaction of workers' urge for self expression in the matters of enterprise management. Third is by making the employees better understand their roles in the organization. And fourth is, in ultimate sense, the objective of worker participation in management is to achieve organizational effectiveness and the satisfaction. To the objectives of the worker participation management in India are to promote the mutual understanding which lies between the management and the workers, that is the industrial harmony, to establish and encourage good communication system at all the levels. It helps to create and promote a sense of belongingness among the workers. It helps to handle the resistance to change. It induces a sense among workers to contribute their best for the cause of organization, create a sense of commitment to decisions to which they were a party. Levels of participation as we need to know to what extent the workers can participate in the decision making process. In other words, it is very important to know the extents or the levels of co-determination in any organization. Viewed from this angle, Mehta's has suggested 5 levels of worker participation, which ranges from the minimum to the maximum level. Since these levels of workers influence the process and quality of decision making in any organization, we are therefore highlighting these levels, briefly ranking them from the minimum to the maximum. Of participation is the informative participation, where it refers to the management's information sharing with the workers on such items which are concerned with the workers only. The balance sheet, production, economic conditions of the plant, etc., are the examples of such items. It is important to note that here workers they have no right of close scrutiny of the information provided, and management has its prerogative to make decisions on issues concerned with the work. Another level of participation is consultative participation, where the workers are consulted in the matters which relate to them. Here, the role of the workers is restricted to give their views only. However, the acceptance and non acceptance of these views depends upon the management. Nonetheless, it provides an opportunity to the workers to express their views on the matters involving their. It is another much more higher level of participation of the workers. Here, the role of the workers' council is not just advisory, unlike the consultative participation. In a way, this is an advanced and improved form of consultative participation. Now, the management is under a moral obligation to acknowledge, accept, and implement the unanimous decision of the council. Administrative participation is a higher level of participation where the administrative participation decisions already taken are implemented by the workers. Compared to the former 3 levels of participation, the degree of sharing authority and responsibility by the workers is definitely more in this participation. Then we have decisive participation where the decisions are taken jointly by the management and the workers of the organization. In fact, this is the ultimate level of workers' participation in the management.